guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you the colorful magnetic pipeline building blocks. We've got one of these for each of my sons. My 1.5-year-old enjoys it a lot, my 3.5-year-old enjoys it a lot, my husband and I enjoy it a lot. It's great to keep them busy on their own or even as a family. We enjoy it as a family more than separately, I have to say. We enjoy building with it. So I'm just going to quickly show you what you can do with it. Basically, get all these different type of blocks, those that have holes in them, that you can add pipes to, and then you get these. These come separately, these little windows. I just put them in. They part of the box, but we just had to clean them ourselves. The balls do not go through them. They're just nice to play with and look nice. And then you also have these solid ones. So that's quite nice. As you can see, magnetic. And then you have these triangle ones. And then you have a bunch of pipes that you can build. And you get these little balls. And you also have some of these if you want to end your pipe but you didn't want to add a block to it. So I'm just going to show you quickly a small easy one to build. I'm going to start with one of these and just add, you'll see there are two of them. You just put them in, push it in, there it's done. Same on this side. There we go. Now you can either add another block like this. I'm just going to make that where I throw it in, you just connect it with the holes again. It's real easy, anybody can do this. There we go. Then I'm just going to build a little, see it just sticks like that. This side, and you close the sides. You can see it's very easy to fall apart, so just don't get mad, it easily breaks. It's magnetic. You can just quickly build again. We build high structures and then one of my sons throws the ball in and everything falls apart. We just laugh about it and go on. So there it's built, just throw the ball and there it goes through. You can obviously add another pipe. I'm going to add the same pipe and add straight down pipe. Put it in there. You do not have to close the sides. Obviously, if you decide you want to add something nice, and then I'm going to add another pipe to get it through because the ball needs to have somewhere to go. It's just going to sit there. There we go. Close it off like that. Add a floor. Make it a bit more stable, so I'm going to put it back there. And just throw the ball through. The ball has a tendency to run away, so I like My son likes to close it up. He says it's a stopper. I keep it open and I just take one of these and I put it there, and then the ball normally bounces into there. Okay, so I'm going to move this one away. You can build loads of structures. Here's one I did previously. I just made it a bit bigger. I played around with the triangles, make it a little roof. So if you just have one set, you're just going to be able to make part of a roof. But if you have two sets, you can close it up. I also like to change it around, make different shapes of it. It's basically like having your own art show. Just having some fun. I'm going to put this there, hoping the ball will stop there and not run away. There it goes, and voila! I always love to put one of these there, so the ball stops it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I guess it depends on the flow of your ball, but here it works. My son loves to put the stoppers there, a solid one. All these can probably also work because the ball can go through there. So yes, that's quite nice. And then obviously I told you my 1.5-year-old also loves playing with it. So I use a fridge, but for this purpose I'm going to use a board, a magnetic board. So what we do is we go sit in front of the fridge and we just build. We make little houses, make them bigger, and I play with the roof of him. There we have a little house, and a little ice cream cone. So it's so fun. So we played in the fridge. Later my husband took both kids and they played. They went and decided, let's see what surface is magnetic, and they played on the fridge, they played on the stove, they played on the dishwasher. So it's really fun. They can play everywhere with it. You don't just have to build physical little blocks and so on. You can also just play with it flat on a surface and make anything you really want to. Artist choice. So yes, we completely love these. The more we can buy of them, the happier we are, because the more blocks you have, the more you can do, the higher buildings you can build, the more technical you can do. We also tested it by taking out one part, so you don't have to close them. Depending on how you build it, the ball can obviously fall out. So when it gets too high and so on, or too sideways, because you don't have to just build like this, you can also turn it to the side so it gets an angle. But I'm going to keep it like this just to show you. So it's open there, the other pipes are closed, they're just spreadable, and it still goes through. Then you have more pipe to build bigger or something different, just to have some more fun with it. Turn around, you can see. Yes! So really recommend this. Love it. Definitely fun for the whole family.